You see, by the grace of God, we try to speak to you things that can make you different. Yes. Very different. That everybody who comes, if he comes into your atmosphere, can tell this atmosphere is of a man that is well taught. Ndikutero chifukwa chakuti ngati simuziwa nkhondo imene mukumenyana nayo pano akupusisani anthu muzilimbana ndi buluzi amene ndi buluzi weniweni fa simukuziwa kuti nkhondo yanu ili pati ena tusagona buluzi Lord, I know has been sent by the devil.
Wamitenga wake uyo wamitenga.
Because you really don't know what really you're fighting. What is it? What is the nature of your battle? There was a time we could have been easily being food. We could have been food. There was a book of a man that got saved from Satanism, and he wrote a book. I don't know if you guys saw it. I can't remember the title because I read it and said nobody should read it. He said of the things that are manufactured under the sea. Clothes. They gave the plans. This plan, this plan, this plan, this plan. Don't. The groundnuts that are not really groundnuts. I don't know if you have ever read that book. So many things. You read it, you will not wear anything. Believe me, you go to the market, you are so confused. You want to buy groundnuts. I'm telling you, you're like, which is real groundnuts here? They said some of the groundnuts are teeth of the demons. So when you are eating, you are eating teeth of the demons. Meaning demons have got teeth. I read about it and I said, my goodness, what kind of a warfare are we fighting now? And it's important we understand the nature of the warfare we are dealing with today. What is it that the devil is doing today? Where is he? Where is Lucifer today? Because if you don't know where he is, you will never know who to what to. You will think you are fighting devil, you're not fighting him. For your information, he flourishes and thrives in the ignorance of the church. 2 Corinthians 2:11. Lest Satan take advantage of us. For we are not ignorant. When you're ignorant, you will never know where Lucifer is. Everybody now says, tell us. That's why I'm teaching you this. But I'm not doing it today. If I start, I will take another 30 minutes. 1 hour. I simply wanted you to see the changes so that when I bring today's warfare, you understand why we are dealing with those things. He has found it easier today because the door is left ajar. He has stepped quietly because he's taking advantage of the atmosphere that is already set for him. He has settled very well. And today is not just in the world. He has stepped in the church because the scriptures have to come real. He will stand at the holy place. And if we don't know him well, we never know what we are fighting in this life. The gods are back. They did something in order to take your attention away. So that our attention is not where he's doing it. We should be fighting something that is not, he is not there at all. And we should leave him untouched. But in this study, we are uncovering that. You know that he's doing something in your house, in your career. This is Lucifer. Because the Bible says, as men were asleep, that's when he planted the things. He loves spiritual slumber. When you are sleeping and you're out of reality, that's when he steps in into your life and begins to fight. He's structuring himself. But in this study, we are going to uncover him. In Jesus' mighty name.